Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am your host, John, the Safety Man, Doe. Today, we are going to delve into the importance of having safety kits in your home, vehicle, and boat, and why opting for American-made products from American Family Safety is a wise choice. So let's jump right into it. Home safety kits. A well-stocked safety kit is a cornerstone of a secure home. Your home safety kit should include first aid kit, packed with band-aids, antiseptics, a pair of scissors, tweezers, painkillers, and any personal medication. Fire extinguisher. A compact, easy-to-use extinguisher can be a lifesaver during a fire emergency. Flashlight and extra batteries, for those power outage moments. Emergency blanket and warm clothing. These will keep you warm during a harsh weather emergency. Non-perishable food and water. A 3-day supply is recommended by safety experts. And when it comes to quality and reliability, American-made products stand out. They adhere to rigorous safety and quality standards, ensuring that you have the best resources at your disposal during emergencies. Vehicle safety kits. Moving on to your vehicle, having a safety kit is equally essential. Basic repair tools, such as jumper cables, a tire repair kit, and a multi-tool. Reflective warning triangles, to alert other motorists of your presence if you break down. A good quality first aid kit. Again, an American-made kit will ensure superior quality and reliability. Portable charger, to keep your devices powered. These tools can make a significant difference, and opting for American-made products ensures that you have trustworthy gear that won't let you down when you need it the most. Boat safety kits. Now, for our boaters out there, having a well-equipped safety kit is crucial. Life jackets. Ensure they meet the U.S. Coast Guard standards. Fire extinguisher. A must-have for any boater. First aid kit. American-made kits are designed with high-quality materials to withstand different weather conditions. Marine radio, to stay connected in case of an emergency. Again, American-made products shine in terms of durability, functionality, and adherence to safety standards. Tips and tricks. A few quick tips. Regular checks. Regularly check and restock your safety kits. Customization. Customize your kits to suit your family's or crew's particular needs. Education. Know how to use the items in your kit. It's one thing to have a safety kit, but knowing how to use it is crucial. Remember, preparedness is the first step to ensuring safety in any situation. Investing in American-made safety products is a wise decision that provides peace of mind, knowing that you have reliable, high-quality gear at your fingertips. If you found this video informative, be sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Stay safe, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and stay safe.